The Smeg Microwaves don't require a turntable. Instead, they include a wave stirrer that moves the microwaves around the food. Therefore, you can put dishes in there such as rectangular, oval or square to maximise the use of the cavity. When using the SpeedWave microwave technology, place the food onto the wire shelf inside the appliance. The oven is designed to take the wire shelf during microwave cooking, but make sure that you don't add any additional metal items or any cups or plates with foil trims. Don't place food onto the bottom of the microwave, as this will not allow effective distribution of microwaves into the food. For further advice, you can also find down the side of the appliance an advice strip. Some automatic microwave programs will also advise the perfect shelf position to use. The microwave power can be varied in 100-watt increments, allowing you to defrost at the lower end of the scale, to reheat in the middle, and to cook and to heat liquids at the top. For best results, always cover your food when microwaving. You can use a microwave-safe cling film and pierce it with a fork, or you can use a microwave plate cover. For both, it will ensure that the moisture is retained within the food throughout the cooking.